Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. We didn't have any releases last week because we did have an epic foil sale. We will hope to get all of those orders out around Thursday, I think. So this week is very, very full because we had a lot of collections that we were waiting to release because, like I said, we didn't release last week. So we'll go over all of the non-collection items. We do have 5 new collections for this week, which is wild, but I do have some other things I wanted to release. I do have a bunch of like Disney foil items that I want to release that are all like ride based, which have been so highly suggested for so long, requested. But I'm going to do those, I think, next week, depending on if some other things get delivered. It's a whole long story, but I know I've been like talking about those in new release videos, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So this week we do have a foil bundle. We are actually discontinuing the mini version. They did not sell very well at all, so we're just going to be offering the bougie version. So this is the Lavender Hollow Celestial, which is so pretty. I think this is going to go with so many sets, guys. I just love Lavender Hollow almost as much as I love regular Hollow. So you do get the, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. The 6 full box, and then I think there's 15 headers over here. You get 2 of those. You do get 2 of the bougies. You get the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then also the bottom washi in the Lavender Hollow. Oh, so pretty. And then also there will be the matte available as well if you want to pick up some of these. Oh, they're so pretty. Again, in the Lavender Hollow foil. And then I also do have extras of January Mystery foil available. This was in the old format, and this is the old format wiggle. So you do have the deco page, the food and drink, the circle icons. This is in the Champagne Lights Sparkly Hollow combo, which is so pretty and twinkle. You get 3 of this page here with the half cut headers, full boxes, and the 7 header overlays, the icons, the scripts, and then the bottom washi. So again, this is in the old format. Still super, super cute. So we do have some of those available. I know everybody was waiting on those extras to come to shop. Speaking of January Mystery, I do have a sticker pack available. I love this collection. I think it's so, so, so pretty. I already have plans for next year's January Mystery. Trying to get everything done super early, and it's going to be so pretty. But this is this year's, and every year we do a birthday. So these are stickers. So this is on cardstock, just as like a little backer, but these are all on our glossy sticker paper, and they are all clip art pieces from January Mystery, which is just so pretty. It is like a celestial birthday theme, and I love these. Again, these are all on our regular sticker paper, so you can use them as stickers, or if you want to use them as die cuts. I love this jewelry. It's so pretty. So that is all of the stickers in the sticker pack. You guys have been loving these. I honestly didn't expect them to sell that well, but they have been selling so well. So glad you love the sticker packs. Let's go into the monthlies. I have 2 monthlies. So this one here is in January Mystery. And again, a perfect birthday kit. This is in the A5 wide or Estelle sizing. So this has your top banners, some deco, some labels and boxes, fancy labels, continuous boxes in a pattern, and then just some random full boxes, and then the full like boxes. And then you have your 2 sidebars here that are now included in the kit, along with some extra boxes on the bottom. Again, the Aura Estelle sizing is 1.5 inch wide, so you can use, you know, leftovers from your kit or multicolor items, foil items in your Aura Estelle A5 wide planner for the monthly. There is also a B6 option, which is a B6 sizing for the Aura Estelle inserts. Super cute for the monthly. And then by Jess of Kittenish Jess's request, I did reformat Book Nerd. She was like, can you please? And I was like, yes, anything for you. So she wanted me to reformat this, so this will fit the Aura Estelle A5 wide inserts again. Super cute. I love this kit. Maybe I will reformat the kit itself. Let me know if you guys want to see that in the comments down below. I want to do a lot of reformats, so if you guys have any requests. A lot of like kits I want to do reformats for, but I have plans to kind of like revamp the theme itself. But anything that I don't have a plan to like revamp a theme itself, I will definitely consider. So then you also have this in a B6 option as well. And let's go into the regular collection items for this week. So the first one here is called City Brunch. It does come in an ultimate and a mini. We have been able to keep minis in stock as of right now. I did go in and create stock for all of the minis in the new format. So if you guys want to pick up any of those, they are in stock now. We are trying to be able to keep those in stock with our new like streamlined production. So this is the full boxes page here. It's a very neutral, chic, sophisticated, just brunch anytime kit. I think it's a really good spring summer transition or a summer fall anytime, really doesn't matter. There is a tall box on the side here, which you guys have been loving when I do that. And I just think these colors are so pretty and just very chic, mature, neutral, beautiful. I love the gray, kind of cooler, super pretty. You have your bottom washi and then also the clear with black script freebie. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit format. Like I said, we are trying to keep the mini kits more in stock. So if any of the new format kits and mini you missed, they are available now in shop. So you do have the full boxes, the deco page, the glitter headers, the mini kit page, and then the bottom washi, same clear with black script freebie. And again, this is City Brunch. If I'm talking a little fast, Theo's sleeping, so it's like the only time it's quiet. So I'm trying to get this done for you guys. So then I also have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, the label sampler, and then also fashion options if you want to add those on. The next set here is super cute, is called Home Sweet Home. It also comes in a mini kit. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit. The mini kit also does come with this extra full box freebie that I'm going to show you guys. So this is a really pretty muted, kind of like a neutral pastel home spring cleaning, home organization kind of vibe, but also could just be just an anytime kit. Super cute. I love the fashion options. This girl here is exclusive. Also these two books down here, the Home Edit Life and also the Marie Kondo, the Life Changing Magic of Tidying Up, are also exclusive to SBC. But I just think it's so pretty with all of the marble in there. You could totally use marble multicolor to add to this as well. I love the hints of the like champagne like gold and just think it's an overall super cute, pretty kit. And then I love this scenes. So full boxes, your extra boxes over here, you have a little laundry scene and then also some like towels, kind of like a bathroom scene. I love these colors. They remind me of something, but I can't put my finger on them. An older collection, maybe something beachy, but I think this is super cute for spring, summer, or like I said, anytime. Super stinking cute. And then the extra box here is another fashion option as well. And again, there is a freebie in both the mini and ultimate with 2 extra boxes. This one is a little cleaning box as well as a little cleaning flat lay. I love this flat lay. I think it turned out super, super cute. Then there is options for add-ons. So you have the 15mm strip. You have the label sampler as well as the other fashion options. So lots of options there. Let's go into the next kit, which is a whole different color palette. So you do have Moon Prism, which is so cute. I love these colors so much. They're so bright, fun, and happy. Does come in a mini kit as well. Obsessed with these colors. So this is kind of like a Sailor Moon inspired collection. It's so pretty. There is marble in the background. I did, instead of doing like drop shadows on the girls, so there's like normally like a little, I don't know if you can really tell, like a shadow, I did glows, which I did also in the Spooky Magique kit, and also Haunted Magic I did like glows of color. So if you can see in this one, she has a pink glow around her. There's different things with blue glows and purple glows. You can see there. Super cute. So I just love this collection. I think it's super cute. Would look really fun with fun colored foils, or would look really pretty with like a champagne lights, a lavender hollow. Would look super cute with this. I think that'd be so pretty. Anything celestial, sparkly hollow, celestial, silver, gold. Extra boxes here, you do have the cat along with the little Game Boy, and then the hands with the ice cream, and then whatever that is, like a little medallion. I'm not like up to date with the Sailor Moon stuff, but I think it's super cute. Again, these colors are fantastic. I think they're so pretty. You have the glitter header, and you do have like the faux gold sprinkled throughout. The boxes page, pattern boxes, the bottom washi with the rainbow, and then the clear with black script freebie. Again, this also does come in a mini kit, and then there is add-on options for this as well. There is the 15mm strip, the label sampler, along with the fashion add-on option. Let's see what is next. The next kit here is called Rainbow Baby, and there's been so many requests for more baby kits, and when I saw this art, I was like, this is so cute. So it does also come in a mini kit. Let's go through this. There is also fam options, which I will get into with the extras. So super cute Rainbow Baby, which is adorable for rainbow babies, or if you just love rainbows and you're having a baby or know somebody who is, it's super cute. So you got like the 2 different scenes here and lots of other items that I just think, just love this yellow. Super cute. You have your extra full boxes here. I love the little car seat for like bringing baby home. Colors are really pretty. I love this so much. You have your glitter headers, your half boxes, your labels and boxes, your pattern labels and boxes, bottom washi, which is super cute. Clear with black script freebie. Let's go into the add-on options for this one. You do have the standard 15mm add-on, which is super cute, the label sampler, and then I also did fashion options in our standard 6 options. So you have option 1, option 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, and 6. So those will be available as well. And last but certainly not least, we do have Foodie, which when Jess told me she was doing a food kit, I was like, yes, please. I'm so excited. I knew she would do it so well. It does also come in a mini kit. Both of them come with the clear with black script freebie. And look at this beauty. The colors printed so nice. I just love food. You guys know I love food, everything about food. I love these fashion options. I love the scene, the like retro rainbow. I obsessed with like the McDonald's here. I hate Voodoo Donuts, but like it's a cute aesthetic. Got like Shake Shack, sushi. I'm just obsessed. And then even the ketchup packet's super cute. So I love this. I'm in a dilemma right now, guys. I'm in a dilemma because this is like me and Jessica J. Crew plans. She's like J. Crew now. She doesn't use her planner Instagram, but every time we see each other, we just eat basically. So I was like, I could use this for her birthday, but I also was like, I feel like the January mystery would be really cute for Jessica's birthday, but I also have boxes for that I think match with Brian, but also this could be really good for Brian because he also likes food. So I'm like, am I sticking to my original plan of using January mystery for Brian's birthday and then using this for Jessica's birthday? I don't know. You guys will see in May. So I think it's super cute though. It just makes me so hungry. You have your extra boxes over here. I did go for the neutral colorway. I was going to go colorful, and then when I started kind of messing around with it, I was like, I kind of think the neutral would look prettier with a colorful add-on, but we'll get to that. So neutral, I had a lot of people messaging me that they're going to be using the rainbow foil with it, and I thought that the neutral would lend more to that, but you could add on colorful if you want to bring that in. So the box down here has the little in and out bag. I brought that in from Netflix and Chill, but I thought it looked really cute with the boba. And then the planner up here, it says #foodie, has a little sushi sticker, a pen, and then the fast food scripts, the takeout scripts, and then the little meal icon sticker sheets, the foiled ones. Down here, there's a little Polaroid of someone eating, a little food Instagram, and then I just threw my favorite restaurant's menu just to kind of like have it all go together. So I thought that was super cute, really fun deco that you could totally use later. I love these colors so much. They're so pretty, but I just think with the boxes, it's going to just pop. Super cute. These are in a whack order, but that's okay. You guys get the idea. And then let me show you guys the add-on options. So the first one here is the 15mm strip. Imagine this with rainbow over top. It's going to be epic. The label sampler, and then the fashion add-ons. Super cute. And then there is also the colorful add-ons. I think this is so pretty, and we'll bring in all of those colors if you want to do that as well. Love this so much, and I cannot wait because I think this is going to be so cute. I don't know if I'm going to use rainbow with it. I'm probably going to have a huge debate on my life with this kit because it's just so pretty. I want it to be perfect. I feel like you could also do silver, gold, mixed metal. You could do a red foil, which would be really pretty, or like a teal blue sparkly foil. Do like a mix of those, or the rainbow I think would be really nice. So those are my suggestions. Or a matte taupe would be really pretty, or a matte gold. lots of options here. Let me know what you guys are going to use in the comments down below, but I think that's everything. It was a little bit longer of a new release video because there was a lot of stuff. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. All of this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.